Okay, 19 says solve the system using substitution. So our name is SS with substitution. Description is use the substitution method to find the OP, which again stands for ordered pair, where the lines intersect. So my two equations are y equals 2x minus 5 and 5x minus 3y equals 17. When we try to use the substitution method, we try to look for a variable that is completely by itself on one side of the equal sign. So if you look at that first equation, the y here is completely by itself, nothing next to it, and nothing else on that side of the equal sign. So when we find that, that means we're going to take what that variable equals, which in this case is 2x minus 5, and we're going to substitute that in for the y in the second equation, because that was a variable by itself. So my second equation now is going to look like 5x minus 3. I'm going to substitute for the y 2x minus 5 equals 17. Again, what that does is now this gives me an equation with one variable that I already know how to solve. So I bring down the 5x. I have to distribute first. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15 equals 17. Combine the like terms on the same side of the equal sign. 5x minus 6x is negative 1x, or just negative x, plus 15 equals 17. So there's my variable. I need to get rid of the addition first, so I subtract 15 from both sides. Gives me negative x equals 2. And then again, this is like a negative 1, so I do need to divide by negative 1. So I get x equals negative 2. So that gives me one variable. But again, it's a system. We're trying to find an ordered pair, so I got to find both the x and the y. So I use my equation that I use for the substitution. So y equals 2x minus 5. Well, now I know x is negative 2. So I can say, okay, y equals 2. Put in negative 2 for x minus 5. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 minus 5. And negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. So again, once you get your x and y, you need to write your answer as an ordered pair. So the x comes first, so it'd be negative 2, negative 9.